Hey everyone, welcome back to another vlog. Now I'm really sorry that I haven't vlogged for a while. I've had a lot of stuff on with work and family and all this other stuff. So there will be another weight loss video coming very soon. But right now it is snowing like mad. It is crazy with snow. I'm not joking, there's so many people like getting stuck and struggling to get to work and all this sort of stuff. So we're going to head to work and let's see if we get there. Okay, so I made the attempt to get to work and I'm not joking. This is what I'm seeing right now. Snow, beast from the east they call it, and that's exactly what it is. Look at that madness. I've only been on the road for literally 5 minutes and it's filling up, and it's just not worth the risk. Absolutely not. Get a bit of snow action. Just use the crazy angle. See? It's snowing. It's snowing a lot. Yeah, I better put my window up. Snow day it is then. So, as you can see, the snow's pretty bad. No work for me today. I'm going to work from home. Look at that. It's absolutely covered already. The floor's just like really thick. I mean, my shoes are just like totally almost lost in the snow. I should put my hood on probably. The good sledging weather. No real good deals around here. Look at that. My phone's getting all wet, but oh well, it's good vlog footage, right? So there will be another weight loss vlog. I don't know, maybe the weekend. Maybe sooner than we'd think if the snow carries on like this, because I'll be stuck at home doing other stuff. So if I can't get to work again, then I'll do it sooner rather than later. But hope you're all keeping safe in the snow. As you can see, you could see the trees. They are there. There even. But now it's kind of losing it in the snow. So I'm going to head inside and get warm with the wife and kids. So. Hope you all have a great day, and thank you so much for watching. If you like this vlog, please do me a favour and hit the thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe. Next to the subscribe button there is a notification bell and a settings tab. If you just click that and click all notifications, you get a notification every time we upload. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.